What's up, guys? Hey, real quick, I'm just shooting this on my phone, but we're up here right now. You can see the lift behind me. And we're at a college near our office. We're doing window cleaning for today. And I just wanted to let you guys know, so I quoted this in 2017, and it's a large school. It's a big contract, but we didn't land it until this year. And the windows hadn't been cleaned since I quoted it or anything. They just hadn't made the choice till this year. So I want to jump on here real quick to encourage you guys that there was nothing fancy we did to land this job. There was no certain software that we used that gave us a competitive edge. We quoted the building, we followed up, and we followed up. And for big contracts like this, I'm gonna try to walk away, this guy's cutting grass. For big contracts like this, it takes time. Like you're not gonna land a big deal typically, within a week or a month of quoting it, right? Like there's a lot of hands it has to go through. There's a lot of budgets, that have to be approved, and things pop up and other things take priority. And so things get put off. The important part is we were the company that stayed in touch and kept following up. And because of that, we eventually got the job. And so you see the building behind me, the one we're working on. So I'll walk up here so you guys can see this. I'm just shooting on my phone, so it's gonna be a little shaky. So go out, put in the hard work, do the follow-up, quit being obsessed with fancy crap. Sometimes it's the simple things like having a good follow-up sequence, having good systems in place so you don't let deals fall through the cracks. We don't follow up this company, we don't get this job. Or the school, we don't get this job. So I figured I'd jump on here real quick and just share that with you guys. I know you guys like to see jobs, so. All right, peace out.